Hello, good evening, everyone.
Sir,
Tell me, ma. Hello.
sir, your screen is blurred.
Yeah, wait, just a second. It will come. Harsh. Harsh. Risha.
Yes, sir.
What is wavefront? What is wavefront, Prisha? Hello. Prisha. Everyone, please open your videos. Please open your videos, everyone.
Sir,
Open your videos.
hello, sir.
Harsh. Open your
Sir,
video, ma.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah, open your videos, everyone. Prisha.
Yes, sir.
What is wavefront, Prisha?
Sir, I can't answer that properly.
Ma, you didn't understand. Oh, Prisha, did you understand or not?
Do we have any test today?
No, ma. Test over, no?
So next week, what is?
Next week, AC currents.
Wednesday.
Yes. Next Wednesday, alternating currents. AC. This Saturday, last and final topics, whatever it is there, that I will say. Next, you have to solve the problems. I will give you how many problems I will give. That problems you have to solve and ready for test. Wave optics, I don't give any revision. Why? Because I am teaching very slowly this lesson. Every day I am revising what I explained in the previous class. Very slowly. So I don't give any revision on this. It is only last and final revision and everything for you. Harsh, open our video. Tejaswini, open our videos. Rachana, Likita. Hello. Kushi,
Sure.
open our video. Ma. Why they are not opening videos? Is there any problem in the net? join with your video, everyone, because I'm not understanding. Are you listening my my voice or not? Join with video, everyone. Kushi, join with video. Likita,
Yes, sir.
join with video.
Yes, sir.
Kaushalya,
Yes, sir.
join with video, ma.
Yes, sir.
Anjali, you too. Yes. Harsh,
Sir,
what is wavefront, Harsh?
front part of the wave, sir.
Very good. How many types of wavefronts are there?
3 types, sir.
Very good. Anjali, Anjali, Sainika,
Yes, sir.
join with video, Sainika.
Sir, I think my camera is not working. I-
Okay. Okay, it's fine, fine, fine. Dhanush,
Sir,
Rachna.
sir, I cannot switch
No.
on the video, so the
Okay,
your
okay.
video is becoming very blurry, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Yes, so the video is blurred. So your video is blurred actually.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Now not. Now okay, right? Likita, tell me what is the Huygens principle? What is the Huygens principle?
So each point on the wavefront acts as the secondary source.
Yes, secondary source. Good. Kushi? Kushi?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Did you,
cannot.
did you understand reflection and refraction? How to prove? Did you solve once?
The refraction I didn't understand, sir.
Refraction is very easy, Kushi, than reflection. Just
No,
a
sir.
diagram.
Yes, sir. I
Sin theta, you have to remember. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is what will be there? Distance will be there. V into T, V1 into T, V2 into T. Very easy that is. Just a diagram. After you can write very easily. Two triangles we have to take. Sin theta we have to calculate. One is for sin of incident, sin of angle of reflection. Sorry, refraction. See once, that is very easy, Kushi. Practice, Kushi. This lesson, if I complete this lesson, there is no any revision again. So at a time I will conduct the exam. When I will conduct also, I don't say. I am telling, suddenly I can conduct. Very slowly I am going this lesson. So you should, there is no revision to again to this lesson. Remember that. Okay, Kushi? Tejaswini,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
did you practice reflection and refraction?
only once, sir, after that day.
Why?
Sir,
Why? What happened?
sir, in school, ray optics is going on, so that also I am practicing. And today we had test, so
Okay. That means have they completed wave optics?
no, sir.
Okay. But practice, I'm telling, night or sometime you have to practice.
Okay, sir.
So after reflection, what we have discussed? Interference, right? Hello? After reflection, we have discussed interference, right? How many types of interference are there? Harsh,
Sir,
how many types of interference are there?
sir, two, sir.
One is
Constructive and other is destructive.
good, ma. Likita,
Sir,
why didn't you on your camera? Tejaswini didn't on. Kushi. Fast on your camera and listen. Then only I can understand you are listening or not. Prisha,
Yes, sir.
which topic that you didn't understand in this lesson?
Sir, interference.
Interference you didn't understand.
No, sir.
What is the interference term that we got? I equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos del 1 minus del 2 or del 2 minus del 1. So this is the term is interference term. So how we got? We have taken two wave equations. The two wave equations we have applied Pythagoras theorem. We will get this type of term. This is the interference term. Now in this interference term, by using this, is it constructive interference or destructive interference? We can find. Before that, sources, coherent source or non-coherent source. Also we have calculated. Coherent source intensity what? What is the intensity of coherent source? Likita?
yes, sir.
Coherent source intensity what? I equal to?
I1 plus I2 plus
2
root I1 I2 cos K into R2 minus R1.
Final result what we got? I1 equal to I2 equal to I
Oh,
we have taken.
I naught cos square K R2 minus R1 by 2.
So by using this, which is coherent and non-coherent, it is the coherent source, right? Non-coherent source what we have discussed? I equal to I1 plus I2 only, intensity, right?
Yes, sir.
By using this, what can we prove? When we can call it is a constructive interference. Hello? When we can say constructive interference, how can we say it is the constructive interference or destructive interference? How can we say?
Yeah, R2 minus R1 by 2
Yes,
is equal to
yes, this term, whatever the term is there, when we got the coherent sources, coherent source equal to I naught cos square K R2 minus R1. When we are getting this term, will tell that it is constructive interference or destructive interference. So you should not even leave this. If K R2 minus R1 by 2, if it is equal to n pi, that means which one it is? Constructive or destructive?
Constructive.
Constructive interference. If 2n minus 1 into pi by 2, if it is equal to this one, then it is what?
Destructive interference.
And here n equal to how much?
1, 2.
Yes, 1, 2 and so on. In constructive 0, 1, 2 like that, right? So that is the term you have to remember. After the term, we have calculated averages. Average for which function you have calculated average? Have you calculated average for I1? Hello? Have you calculated average for I1? Hello? Likita?
Sir?
Have you calculated average for I1? Is it we calculated average for I1?
No, sir.
Is it we calculated average for I2?
No, sir.
We calculate average for which function? Which function we have calculated average to get coherent and non-coherent source intensity? Likita? Sorry. Kushi?
Sir,
Which function we have calculated average to get coherent and non-coherent sources intensity?
what, sir? Can you repeat, sir? I can't hear you.
Do you know coherent source and non-coherent source?
Yes, sir.
To get that intensity of coherent source or intensity of non-coherent source, which function average we have calculated?
Sir, that
This
Sir,
cos function, sir.
the two square
Cos
root of
function.
I,
This
the
one.
cos, yes, sir, the 2 square root of I
So when you are doing calculate average for this function, if you calculate average for this function, that tells it is coherent source or non-coherent source. Here del 2 minus del 1 also value I given, right? In the del 2 minus del 1, omega 1 equal to omega 2, k1 equal to k2, pi 1 equal to pi 2 means what will happen? Come on. What will happen if these are equal?
Coherent source.
Coherent source. If these are not equal, what will happen?
Non-coherent.
Non-coherent source. If any function cos or sine which is present with omega, this function will become what?
0, sir.
0. Once if it is 0, for the non-coherent source, what is the answer? I equal to I1 plus I2. Just you have to calculate for average, you have to calculate for coherent source only. So that time omega 1 equal to omega 2, k1 equal to k2, phi 1 equal to phi 2. So what will happen means omega function will become 0 and this function will become 0. This function will be there. So that you have to practice. If you practice that, coherent source you will get, non-coherent source intensity you will get. Once if you get the intensity, that coherent source intensity you will get this much. Once if you get here, again this function if you equal to this function, then it is called destructive interference. If this function is equal to n pi, that is constructive interference. We can get easily. Without practice, if you don't practice, how will you get? You won't even practice, just you will listen. After again, you will wait for the next class. That's all. Between that, when will you practice? Really, if you practice, whenever I will ask question, you will say answer.
Sir, what about path difference, sir?
Hello?
Sir, coherent source is dependent on path also, no, sir?
I can't understand, ma. I can't hear you.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Sir, I'm saying is coherent source dependent on path also?
Coherent source depending on the cos also. This total is cos, right? It is the coherent source function, right? But it is called phase. If it is called phase function in the coherent source, k r2 minus r1 we will call as a phase. It is phase. This phase is equal to n pi. That is called constructive interference. This phase is equal to 2n minus 1 pi by 2. That is called destructive interference. In that, what is the phase? K R2 minus R1 is the phase. Again, R2 minus R1 is what?
Path difference.
Path difference. If this path difference equal to n lambda, then what is that? If path difference is n lambda,
Constructive.
constructive interference. If path difference is 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, if I get, then what is that?
A destructive interference.
Yes, that is what I am saying. Once if we get this equation, if you practice only this equation, from here, this total one is called phase. If that phase is equal to n pi, constructive. The phase equal to this much, destructive interference. Both you will get. One more point, if you get R2 minus R1, if you get n lambda, that is called constructive. R2 minus R1, 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, destructive interference. 2 points are there. We can say that it is constructive interference or destructive interference. You have to keep in your mind like that. You won't even practice. How will you get? Very easy. Once it is everything, there is a link. From here, we have to calculate this one. If you calculate only cos function average, if you calculate, you will get coherent or non-coherent source. Coherent source, non-coherent source, directly you will get this answer. There is no headache for this. But coherent source, you will get like this. Again, in the coherent source, this function is called phase function, and this function is called path. What is that? Path difference. So that phase function is equal to this. Path difference equal to this. Then you will get a constructive or destructive. What is the topic is there in that? Without practice, it's very difficult. You are not practicing, really. That's why whenever in school, they have conducted so many times exams. Okay, I know that. You only told me. But same in the first lesson, I have conducted exams. How many members of you got out of out? No one. No one. Here so many members are there. No one got out of out. Why? Because you won't practice. If you practice, you won't perform well. Your writing will be very bad. You won't write properly. You don't know how to present the paper. The first impression is best impression. When you write question paper, answer sheet very neatly, then they will get impression. You won't write. That type of things you don't know. If we ask a 5-mark question, write Coulomb's law, you will write only formulas. How that formulas came, you don't know. Actually, you know that, but you won't write. Those who are correcting, what they will feel? Oh, he has no subject. Just he remembered the formulas and he is writing. That impression you will give to others. Even you have matter, you won't show that. Then what is the use? Here, sir, whatever you want, materials he is providing, and I am teaching. We are doing our side, whatever we want to, that we are doing, but you are not doing properly. Who will provide 6 classes per week, physics or something? Physics, chemistry, maths. Who will provide? Every day you have class. Or 4 days or 5 days you have class nicely. Physics you will get 6 days. 6 hours you have class. Every day you are practicing here. You are reading whatever they taught in the school, but you won't get out of out. Now see where you are. I told you so many members open your videos. 1 or 2 members, they have really network problem, they didn't open. Remaining persons, they opened again, they closed. Why? Why it is like that? That means you won't listen. Whatever we say, you won't listen. Whatever we are saying, if you don't listen, then what is the use? You won't get marks. If you act in front of us, your life only will be, it will become big. Then you have to, entire your life, you have to act. Don't do that. Stop acting. Open your videos, I told. No one. Some members, they opened, again, they closed that because their friends didn't open. Dhanush?
Yes, sir.
First you open the video, again, why did you close?
Sir, I was drinking water. Sir, I'll keep open only.
Yeah, Dhanush, actually we should, because I can understand you are doing or not.
Okay, sir.
Likita?
Sir,
Why didn't you open your video?
my laptop got hanged, sir.
Is it? Video only it is not showing.
Sir, I'm not able to unmute only, sir. It's getting hanged.
Kushi?
Sir, I went to the restroom, sir. That's why I turned it off that time.
Kaushalya?
Yes, sir.
Kaushalya, tell me that first lesson, how many times you will attend test or something? When it is completed? It was completed long back, right?
Yes, sir.
Why are you unable to get out of out? What is the reason? See, who will provide
So,
6 days
I
without
didn't
providing class? Huh? Prisha,
Yes, sir.
how did you write last test? Wednesday.
I didn't write well.
Why? Why, Prisha? Where is the lagging? Did you find where you are doing mistake? Did you find at least
Confidence issues, sir.
one? Yes. But why you are unable to show you are confident? What is less? You every day you are attending to class, even in school classes and year classes you are attending. But where is the lagging? So, sir, whatever you are teaching, I didn't understand that method. Can you teach like this? So? Whatever, if you have idea, if I teach like that, if you can understand, tell me that I will teach in that way. How much we are concentrating? We are working for you only, right? Sir, he is providing PDFs. We will solve that PDFs. We are teaching lessons. You are listening every day. What is the use? At least we should score good marks, right? If you don't come out with good marks, then whatever you studied waste only, right?
Yes, sir.
Already this year is very worst year. Everyone is suffering. Once if you come back, once if you come out, then you have to come with good marks, right?
Yes, sir.
But you are not, according to me, you are not practicing, Prisha. If you practice, definitely what you will say, you know, sir, yesterday night I practiced this question, but I didn't understand. I did mistake in this step. You can ask like that. I don't know what you people are doing, whatever the hard work you are doing in the school. In the school also you are listening the same lessons. Here also you are listening same lessons. So 2 types of teachers they are explaining, but what is the use? Any one of you did you get out of out? No. If you don't get now, for 1 lesson, 2 lessons, when we are conducting exam, if you don't get, when will you get? And I'm telling second part is not that much easy. If you don't practice every day, this lesson I'm challenging you. 1 week, if you don't practice this lesson, you can't even remember small step also. That is true. But whenever I'm teaching, if you practice after my class, you can't even forget any time. Anytime you can remember. Very bad. Whatever the test you are writing, whenever I am seeing that marks, I'm feeling so bad because so many members of you here talent. So many members of you are very good at studies, but you are not showing that in your test. You are not performing well. Chirag, open your video. Anirudh. Some members, they are facing problem with the network.
Absolutely.
Okay, Chirag. Come on, ma, please. If you
Sir,
don't,
I have power fluctuations continuously in my house. So like because of that, net is again and again going. So it's becoming slow, sir.
okay, ma, yeah. See, please try to understand. We are saying for only your future. That keep in your mind. Every day, if you don't practice, whatever, how many times if you listen, you can't write examination. What is the use of listening? Once if you listen, some of the information will store in your subconscious memory. That what will happen, whatever you are reading, you can remember some days. But if you practice, you can remember so many days. Practice makes man perfect, right? Remember that first. And confident or whatever you want. If you want to get confident, first you should practice. Without practicing, how will you get confident? Who will give confidence to you? You should get your confidence. Yes, I can solve. I can do. If I get doubt, yes, my teacher is there. He will teach. Like that you have to feel. Whenever you are getting doubt, if you don't ask, that doubt will continue enter your life. And I know so many members of you, you didn't even start solving PDFs, whatever we send. Sir sent PDF to each and every lesson. How much we are doing here? From your side, we are getting 0. If you test papers, you will understand how you are writing. Very worst test papers. I never saw that type of question papers. Answer, you don't know how to write. You have 5 mark question, how much answer if you don't know? Then what is the use? 5 marks we have to write this much. 2 marks only 2-3 lines enough. Like that you have to remember, right? No. Direct steps. If you write direct steps, yeah, you are educated, you can understand. Those who are correcting what, they can understand. I'm telling now itself, this lesson I don't give any information when I'm going to conduct exam or something. Whatever the doubt you have, in this week itself, in this week or next week, before completion of this topic, you have to ask me. I can teach again, but once if I complete this lesson, directly I will conduct exam. Once if you don't get good marks, then I will tell to sir, he will inform to your parents, they will ask you, what is your problem? If you don't tell to us, no use. Every day I'm asking, do you have any problem? Did you understand? Each and every person I will call and I will ask. Did you understand? Did you understand? Like that every time I will ask. That time you will say, yes sir, we understood. But when we are conducting exam, no use. See, you are not blaming yourself, you are blaming your parents and teachers also. Remember that. As a responsible student, you should do well. Whatever we are giving, that is for only for your future. Even your parents or we, whatever we are saying to you, because of your future only. I don't repeat this thing again. I have not that much time. I have to complete the portions. Okay? Please, next time, once if I conduct exam on any lesson, definitely you should get, if I conduct for 35 marks, 33 marks above you should get, or 33. Below that, if you get 31 or 32, I don't consider that is an examination. I make sure that that paper you have to write 5 times and you have to show to me. And again, I will ask questions in that. Again, if you make mistake, I will give like that only. To prepare that question papers, previous year, 4-year, 5-year question papers I saw. From that, I prepared the question paper. No one written properly. Wait, I will send whatever marks you got. Now onwards on that, I will write bad performance. How many days onwards we are studying that lesson? First lesson, second lesson. What is there in that? Even when I am teaching, I will tell you it is important. I will make a star mark or something. It is important, I will say. That important question also you are not practicing. Come on, please. If you don't do hard work in this age, when will see here, topic is very easy. That we have got in what we got here intensity formula. In this intensity formula, we know that it is the interference term. From the interference term, what we have discussed, is it coherent source or non-coherent source? To prove that coherent or non-coherent, what we have to do? We have to calculate average to this function. Once if we calculate average to this function, so what is there in this function? Del 2 minus del 1. I given what is del 2, what is del 1. So del that you have to take. From that, if omega 1 equal to omega 2, k1 equal to k2, pi 1 equal to pi 2, that is coherent. If these are not equal, we discuss, right? Non-coherent source. So when we are discussing like that very easily, after for the coherent source, you will get one of the function like this. In this function, this total is called phase and R2 minus R1 is called path difference. From the 2 points, we can say which is constructive interference, which is destructive interference. But that and all you won't read. I am facing the same problem from 2 months. I am seeing, okay, some only 1 or 2 members, they will read every day. They will write. But because of handwriting or some other small problems, I will cut 1 or 2 marks. If I give out now only, then they will feel that yeah, we are getting so many, no problem. Like that they will become lazy. That's why I will see each and every point. I will cut at least half mark. I don't give full marks. But some members, they are not even reading, just they are writing by hearting and writing. I know those who are writing like that. I don't want to mention names. Please, once you have to check yourself when you are writing the test. If you don't understand, why can't you ask, sir, we are facing problem here, this is my problem. Otherwise, send to one SMS to sir. Sir will call. Even he will. I will come in the contact. We can speak personally. You can speak, sir. These are the problems I am facing, sir. Please, I want you have to teach like this. Then we can understand, because I don't say that everyone can understand what I am teaching. But I can say that if you have any problem, according to that, I can respond. I can do something to get that you have to get good marks. That I can do. You are not even giving any chance to me. What help I can do? When marks, sir will see the first. He will see marks. He will ask me why they are getting good marks, why they are not getting good marks. What answer I have to say? Because you are not sharing any answer to me. What I have to say to him? I am not saying anything. Every day when I'm asking, Likita, did you understand? Yes, sir. Kushi, did you understand? Yes, sir. Some members I will call, they won't respond. If they are not responding, that means network issue. There is a network issue. But how can you listen lesson now? Lesson also you can't hear, no? Sir, last class when I entered, there is a network issue. So that is the reason I didn't understand. Please, once again, can you repeat this topic? No, no one will ask. If they ask like that, they will feel that, oh, we don't. My friends will feel that we don't know anything. I think you are feeling like that. No one knows anything. We have to learn. Here I didn't create anything. Everything, these are there in the textbook, okay? What we are doing here, whatever they are written in the textbook that you can't understand, that we will make it simple and we will explain to you. That is the teacher. We are not creating anything here. Everything is there in the textbooks. But if you read the textbook, you can't understand. When you are listening, how that step they have given, we will explain that. That also, finally, you are not writing anything. We are feeling so bad. Second time test when I'm second level, that is. I know that first level only they have written very worst. How they can write second level, that I know. If you are there directly, then I used to ask. But even though sir told me today, you should ask, sir, they are not getting good marks. Something, there is a problem. Now I want each and every person, once if I send I will send Sunday. Every one paper I will send Sunday. But Monday, everyone, what is the problem? Why didn't you write? So what we have to do for you to get good marks? That I want. It is the final. Next, I don't give any lecture like this. It's the last and final warning. When we are teaching, if you don't understand, please raise your hand. Sir, please, once again. Yes, Dhanush, you can. Okay, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, ma, it's okay. Dhanush, okay. I want each and every one explanation on that second test. I will send papers and personally call to sir. If you have any problem, tell to him. Definitely he will tell to me. I will make sure that I don't repeat that. Whatever I am doing mistake, I don't repeat that again. I will change my teaching method or something. According to your convenience, we will teach. Because I am not teaching for my purpose. I am teaching for you. If you don't understand, definitely we will change. Whatever we can do best from our side, we will do that. But if you don't practice, not me, even Sir Isaac Newton, if he come and explain also, you can't write anything. If you don't do hard work. Remember. Every day I'm facing the same problem. Every day. I will call one of the two persons, they won't even respond. If they can't hear, why are they in the online? Only 2-3%. That is the reason every time I will call like Tejaswini, Prisha, Kushi, like that some boys, Banu Prasad, like that only some members I will call. Remaining person, they won't even respond. Kaushalya, she will respond like that. Okay, let's see. So what we have discussed in the lesson also, you have no idea. When I am asking, no one is responding. You have to respond, right? Your mic and everything is working properly only. Sir, this is is it right or wrong? Wrong, what will happen? If it is wrong, we will teach again. Otherwise, I will tell you, no, ma, this is what we have learned. I will tell you like that. If you don't open your mouth, what we have to do here? Please don't take it easy, everything, and don't take it as a comedy, everything, okay? Because it is your life. Whatever you are doing now, result will come in the future. If you act now, definitely you have to act in our future also. You can't do anything. Please do hard work. Believe, once see your parents how much hard work they are doing for your purpose. Everything you have to keep in our mind. Love your parents. Then you will get to know what hard work they are doing for you people. Whenever I will ask, no one will respond. What does it mean? Are they understanding or not? How can I find? Interference. Interference, here we will get I equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos del 2 minus del 1, that we will get. From that interference term, what can we prove? Anybody respond? From the interference term, what can we prove? Interference term is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos del, that means del 2 minus del 1. By using interference term, it is the interference term. Okay, from this what can we prove?
Coherence.
What can we prove from this?
Coherent or in.
Yeah,
Coherent.
coherent or non-coherent. Coherent or non-coherent we can prove. Again, in the coherent source, what can we get? Coherent source term you will get I equal to I naught cos square K R2 minus R1. Like from the coherent source, remember formulas like this. I equal to I naught cos square K R2 minus R1 by 2. Here, this term is called phase difference. So by using that, we can say it is constructive or destructive. We can say this, constructive or destructive. Just nothing is there. If it is constructive, phase difference is equal to n pi. If it is destructive, phase difference equal to 2n minus 1 pi by 2. If you equal, otherwise, sir, I don't want by using phase difference. I will use R2 minus R1. It is the path difference. If path difference equal to n lambda, constructive interference. If path difference equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, then it is called destructive interference. What are the terms it are? Let's see. When they are asking problem, so mostly when they are giving non-coherent source, just I equal to 2 intensities they will give, we can calculate. When they are asking problem basing on the coherent source, you should remember this formula and each and every term here you can remember. Without your practice, nothing. No one can do anything here. Even me, sir, whoever they are, your parents, no one. Every day when you are attending the classes, that means I will feel like just you are acting in front of the camera and in front of your parents, in front of me. Don't do that. Come on, you can do anything because we have everything. God given everything to us. you can do your if you do hard work, whatever you want, you will achieve. Because I saw you people here. If we ask anything, you will say very nicely answers. But once if I complete the lesson, you won't practice. That's why after some days you can't remind. After some days you can't remember. If you practice, then you can remember easily. That is what we have discussed in the last class, right? And the relation between I maximum and I minimum also. What is the I maximum? Sorry for that, I have to say something that I didn't say. I maximum equal to how much we got? Turn the pages. Everyone turn the pages and see, because before coming to class, you won't practice. Once if you come to class, whatever the question I am asking, that page you will go and you will check and you will say. Whatever topics till now we have discussed. Again, two more topics are there. One is
Sir, is I max R plus 1 whole square, sir?
How many formulas are there, you know? There is a relation between.
Sir, the screen is blur, sir.
Yeah, it will come. Wait, just a minute. Just a minute. Come on. Let's see. How many formulas are there, you know? Relation between I maximum and I minimum. Okay. I maximum, I minimum. I maximum, one of the formula due to the intensities. Root IA plus root IB by I minimum. I minimum equal to root IA minus root IB. Here we used to write like this. It is basing on the intensities. Instead of that intensities, if you write root IA, you can write A or root I1. Like this also you can write I2 if you get confused. I1, I2. So root I1 equal to, you can take A. Root I2 equal to, you can take B. If you substitute, what you will get? A plus B by A plus B whole square by A minus B whole square. Here A and you can take B common, you can take. If you take B common, A by B plus 1 whole square by A by B minus 1 whole square. B common, you can cancel out. Here A and B are the amplitudes. A comma B are the amplitudes. And A by B is the ratio of amplitude. This ratio of amplitude you can write R. So whenever you are seeing R, that means it is the ratio of the amplitudes. Okay, I don't want in terms of amplitudes. I want intensity form. I1, I2, root I1 minus root I2. It is the intensity form. It is the amplitude form. It is the ratio of amplitude form. That means R plus 1 whole square by R minus 1 whole square. So A by B is nothing but R. It is the ratio of amplitudes form. It is the amplitudes form. It is the intensity form. How they are giving question, basing on that we have to give the answer. Again, intensity formula, one more also is there. I1 by I2 equal to WA by WB. What is that? Which form it is? What is the relation it is? Intensity and what is WA?
Width of source.
Yes, width of source. So it is the relation between intensity and the width of source. It is the intensity and intensity relation. If they have given intensity, we can use this formula. If they have given widths, if you want to calculate intensity, we can use this formula. Otherwise, if they give amplitudes, we can use this formula. If they give amplitude ratios, you can use this formula. All formulas just related. And there is a relation between amplitude and the intensity, right? W and it is a relation between what?
Sir,
Tell me, ma. It is a relation between.
the screen is blurred for me, sir. I can't see.
Just now it is clear. Now it's clear.
No, sir, it's blur for me also, sir.
Sir, it's still blurred, sir.
Now is it clear?
No, sir.
It's still the same.
Just a minute.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's clear now.
No, sir, kind of blur.
If we start again, it will get something. Video will get break up. So,
Sir, I can't see, sir. It's still.
no, it won't convert. You have to restart. Yeah.
So whatever I explained in the last final, that is enough, sir. Before that.